Sheriff David Davis here, and I am here to talk about River Edge and their partnership with the Sheriff's Office and their partnership with our community. First off, River Edge does a phenomenal job for the Sheriff's Office by providing the mental health services to our inmates in the jail. And as has been said many times before, jails now house a large number of folks with mental health or substance abuse issues. About a third of our inmate population has some issue with substance abuse or mental health challenges. And so River Edge is a great partner with us, and the great thing about that is the continuity of service, that when they see a jail inmate, they're usually someone that they have had services with or had contact with before they were arrested. But then when they're in jail, they continue that service, but then the service providing is seamless even after that person is out of jail, so that they can keep that continuity of service. And when we talk about other things that are going on in the community, the opioid crisis, and that's something that that is a nationwide, almost worldwide issue, but certainly here locally that we have to deal with that, the opioid abuse, as well as deaths from overdoses or hospitalizations from overdoses. And River Edge has been a committed partner in that endeavor. Part of the opioid settlement, that part of the pharmacy companies that have, so to speak, peddled these medicines over these years now have entered into agreements with the various states to pay back for some of the treatment costs that these opioid epidemic has caused. And so both the states and sheriffs themselves get a carve out of this opioid settlement, and that is only going to benefit those individuals who have had some type of opioid addiction or are at risk of becoming entrapped in an opioid addiction. And certainly River Edge is right at the forefront of that, and a lot of those funds will be targeted and certainly used by River Edge eventually to make a difference in those individuals' lives. And then when we talk about here even closer, the Crisis Services Diagnostic Center that is being built just behind the LEC, that we are looking forward to having that. And when it was first being talked about, I was a little bit curious as to what it was going to be. It's on some of the property that we used at the Sheriff's Office, but then when I found out the complete scope of that facility and the lives it was going to affect, certainly I became a very committed supporter, and look forward to having that facility close into the services that we provide here. And it makes me think that right there in that little strip, we have help for people in all types of situations in their life. Right next door to that center is our Outreach and Restorative Justice Center, where we do all of our community outreach programs, our community policing programs with Neighborhood Watch and our youth. Then you have the CSDC Center right next door, and then on down the street you have a church. So every type of person or any type of situation that a person may be involved in can be helped right there on that street with this new center coming up. And so with the help that River Edge has done and the things that River Edge has done, they have been a committed partner. And CEO Cass Hatcher, I cannot say enough about his commitment to our community and the work that he has done, and the partnerships and the true personal friendship that we have. And that's what helps when you have people like Cass, who have been in this community, involved in a number of different projects, and who have developed relationships and friendships, and then that they're at the helm of River Edge and are help to guide the programs that they're going to do, is just phenomenal. So River Edge is a great partner, And I am proud that the Sheriff's Office is part of the work that they do, and look forward to continued partnership.